Hello and welcome back to Black Notes Music Center. Today we are going to be breaking down Enthralled by Your Love by LoveworldSingers in the key of C. I will play the song, then I will break it down. Thank you. Thank you. And the song is in a key of C major. So C is our 1, D is our 2, E is our 3, F is our 4, G is our 5, A is our 6, B is our 7, then back to C. So the intro. Okay. So there they did. Okay. Ti do so, ti do so on the right, ti do on the left, ti do so. So fa mi do. Okay, 4 on the left, on the right, fa mi re. Okay, 5 fa mi do. Okay, so fa mi re do 6 fa mi do. Okay, fa mi re, so which is 5 again, fa mi do 4 so fa mi re fa mi do so. Okay, do fa mi re, that time do fa mi do so. Okay, sorry, the last time is do fa mi do, then ti do. So you can do it 2 times. Okay, so let's do it together. 1, 2, go. Fa mi do. Okay, fa mi do so, right? Fa mi do so, fa mi re do, fa mi do so. Okay, fa mi re de do, fa mi do. So the body, the A part is from 6, 6, 4, 1. So 6 left, right, 4 left, right, 1. There are many ways you can play it, okay? Or you can just keep your root here on the left. Then second chord, the same thing. 4. See this chord, G sus 4. On the left we have 5. On the right we have 5. 1, 2, 5. This is sus 4. Then this is sus 5. Sorry, this is sus 5. 5. Okay. Or you can play 3 on the left, 5 on the right. Okay. Or because of the melody, I will advise you to just play 1. Just play 1 on the right and play 3 on the left. You call it 1/3. Okay. Okay. 3 from 6, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Sus 5 and 5. Okay. Okay. 4, 5. Or 6, 3. Okay. 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, so let me play the A part together. Okay, second time. Second part. Six, 7, 3, 4, 5, 4. That's all. So to then B part. So it's 1. 1, 1, then 6, 4, 5, sus 4. Okay. Then 3 and 3, sorry, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. Okay, this one is twice. Da 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 da. The second time, eh? Da 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 4. Do fa mi, the intro. Do fa mi, do fa mi. Okay, so after here they went back to A part. So the same, nothing changed, it's the same. So then from A to B part, then C part is this one. 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6. I'm playing 5 or 4 on the right, 6 on the left. Okay. 5. Then they went back to B. So that's all for the song. The song is not much. And thank you guys for supporting. And don't forget, always comment and send your request. send your request. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a lovely day.